In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a book trailer in Renderforest. We're going to build a polished, shareable trailer using ready-made templates, perfect for showcasing your story in a matter of minutes. I'll walk you through each part of the process, explain what to look for, and share a few practical tips so your final video looks professional and on brand. First, head to the Renderforest website and click Login. Being logged in ensures your progress is saved and you can return to your project later without losing changes. Once you're in, look to the left panel and click Templates. This opens the full library of pre-built designs, which is where you'll find video structures tailored to different use cases. Use the search bar and type book trailer. You'll see a range of styles from dramatic and cinematic to clean and minimal. Choose a template that matches your book's tone and target audience. When you've found one that feels right, click Create Now to open the project editor and start customizing. Inside the editor, click on a scene in the timeline to begin editing. Replace the placeholder text with your book details. Think title, a short hook or tagline, the author name, and a simple call to action like where readers can find it. Keep text concise so it's easy to read on screen, and watch character limits to avoid cramped layouts. Aim for lines that can be comfortably read in a second or two. Next, click Image file video to upload your book cover or any relevant clips. Use high-resolution files for crisp results and stick to visuals that match the tone of your text. If your template supports both images and videos, mix them intentionally. The cover for recognition, short clips for mood. Pay attention to cropping guides so important elements aren't cut off. Now click Colors for styles to fine-tune the overall theme. Choose colors that align with your cover and genre, and keep contrast high for legibility, especially on text overlays. If the template offers font or style variations, pick one that enhances the mood while keeping everything easy to read. When your scenes, visuals, and styles are set, click Preview to watch your trailer from start to finish. Look for typos, pacing issues, and any mismatched visuals. Make quick adjustments as needed. Once you're happy, click Export to finalize your video. Choose the settings that suit where you'll share it, then save and download your trailer. That's it, your book trailer is ready to promote your story with confidence.